and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold paired earlier gains after US weekly jobless claims unexpectedly declined, while investors awaited key inflation data that could shape the Federal Reserve's next interest rate moves. Wall Street's main indexes slumped to their lowest in a week, as fresh economic data tempered optimism around further interest rate cuts, indicating a sharp shift in sentiment across a market betting on aggressive easing. A consortium of 9 European banks, including heavyweights ING and UniCredit, said they are forming a new company to launch a euro-denominated stablecoin, a move they hope will help counter US digital market dominance.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.